Hi and welcome. In this video I am going to show you a cast-off that is a little more elastic than a regular cast-off. I use it when I need the cast-off edge to be a little more stretchy. For instance, on this sweater neck. And this is how stretchy it is. When I'm finished with my cast off, I'm going to fold it double and attach it down here on the wrong side. So I need this part to stay stretchy. That way it'll be easier to pull on when the sweater is used. If you are wondering about this pattern, it is called WOOLHEARTS, and it can be bought from one of the links in the video description down here. And you can also get mittens, socks and hat in the same pattern. But back to my cast off. What I do is that I begin, even though this is a rib, I am going to knit only. You can choose to purl or knit and purl. This is a matter of what you like best. But I'm going to knit. So I start by knitting one stitch. I don't pull this tight, I just keep it a little bit on the loose side. Then I yarn over and knit one more stitch. Then I take my left needle and I bring it through both the yarn over and the first stitch like this, and then I slip both over the second stitch. So now I have cast off one stitch. To continue, this is now my first stitch. I yarn over, knit the second stitch, bring my left needle through the yarn over and the first stitch, and I slip them over the second. And then I repeat. And I continue doing the same throughout the round. And when I have one stitch left, which will look like this, I cut this yarn and just pull the yarn end through. And this is what the edge will look like. Here you can see I have a little more stretch than with a regular cast off. If I cast off a little tighter, these holes here, they will become smaller. But this is ideal for me for afterwards when I'm going to sew this part onto here on the wrong side. So I hope this was helpful, and see you next time when I have made a video about how I actually attach and fold double. Thank you so much for watching.